What's up, everybody? Josh here, and in this video we're going down to Parrish, Florida, and to the Summerwoods community, and I'm going to show you two brand new construction homes that are in the low to mid $300,000. You ask for affordable new construction, and that's what you're going to get. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But enough talking, let's start today's tour. This is the Starlight Homes Athena floor plan in the Summerwoods community in Parrish, Florida. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1522 square feet. HOA fee here is $9.25 per month, and the CDD fee is $2,352 per year. Let me pan around, show what it looks like, and we can go inside, take a look at this one. All right. Got a nice covered front area here. So you come in the front door, you have the wood-like LVP flooring all the way down. Right here to the right, it's gonna be your 2-car garage. And as you'll see, they're still doing some finishing touches on this one as well. But it looks like you do have the epoxy on the floor. Water heater in the corner there. All right, so you come on in. Go to the right. Right here is going to be your coat closet. Continue on down the hall. And then go to the right here. You're gonna have bedroom number 1. You do have a can light above. And then your closet there with an actual door instead of a slider or bifold. And then bedroom number 2. And coming out of the bedroom, turn to the left at the end of the hall, you have your bathroom. Obviously they're still working here, but you have a laminate countertop here, and then your white cabinets. And then your tub and shower combo, you have the fiberglass insert instead of tile. And then your laundry room would be right here. Okay. Continue on. Right here is going to be where your air handler is. And then into the kitchen. So you have your granite countertops here, your white cabinets, refrigerator would go right there, and then your pantry right here. So you have your electric range and then microwave there, and then your undermount sink and your dishwasher in the island. And then here is your living room / family room. And then the master suite in the back here. So here's the bedroom. Get your 2 windows out back. Then into the bath, the white cabinets, laminate countertop. Then behind the door here is going to be your shower. Fiberglass insert on that as well. Toilet here, then your walk-in closet. Obviously they're still in the process of putting carpet down. And then this door will be your linen closet, which they're in the process of putting the shelving up there. All right, and let's go out the back, take a look. So this one has a door instead of a sliding glass door. And then when you come out here, you have a little concrete pad there. This is the view of the back. It's not the biggest backyard, but you do have palm trees. And then right behind it, This is the view of the back of this one. And this is the Athena floor plan by Starlight Homes. This is the Starlight Homes Odyssey model. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1412 square feet. Let me pan around, show you what it looks like over here. All right, let's go inside, take a look at this one. I like the stone on the front. It's a nice touch there. And you have the same covered front entry area. All right, let's go inside. The front door, you have the LVP flooring right in the entryway, and then you transition to the carpet, and then back to LVP flooring. But directly to the right, you're gonna have your coat closet. All right, it's coming on in. This is gonna be your living room slash family room area. And then over here to the right, behind this door is gonna be your air handler. And then behind this door, it's gonna be your 2-car garage. Water heater tucked in the corner over there. And then coming out of the garage, immediately to your right is gonna be your laundry room. All right, continuing on, we'll come back to the kitchen in a minute. Over here, bedroom number 1. You do have a can light above, and then a walk-in closet. And then bathroom number 1. You do have the fiberglass insert around the tub and shower combo. And then bedroom number 2. Also with a walk-in closet. All right. Continuing on, coming to the kitchen. Got your island here with your granite countertops, your undermount sink, your stainless steel dishwasher. And then over here is gonna be your electric range and your microwave. And then refrigerator would go there. And then you have your pantry over here. Let me just show you this side of the island here. So there is a room here if you want to put up some bar stools or something. You could do so. And then this would be your dining area kind of in right here. We'll go outside in a second. And then the master suite back here. Nice size bedroom. You have your walk-in closet over here. And then the bathroom right here. So this, you only have the single sink instead of the dual vanity. And then your shower right there. And then behind the door, you're gonna have your linen closet right there. All right, let's go outside. Take a look at this one. Has a covered lanai, which is really nice. So you come out, covered lanai, and then once again, not the biggest backyard, but it is what it is, I guess. And then here is, look down the side and the back of this property. And once again, this is the Odyssey floor plan by Starlight Homes.